Hello, kindergarten mathematicians. Mrs. Doran and Ava are here with you to do some more math. Before we get started, we need to warm up our brains. So let's count back today. Let's count back starting with 20. So I want you to think about what that's going to think. Picture that in your head going backwards from 20. Are you ready? Let's see if we can do it. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, good job. All right. Okay, boys and girls, let's see if we can count down backwards again. Let's go back again. Let's count, see if we can count back starting, can we count back starting with 10? Let's do that. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You guys are doing good counting back, but what is Ava? Oh, what does she have? Ava. Ava likes to write numbers, doesn't she? And we've been counting back. And I'm wondering, and back means to go backwards to what came before. Why don't I give you guys some numbers and you can tell me what comes before the number. Are you ready? Let's say, what comes before, let's do our teens. What comes before 17? So think about what comes before 17 and write it down. Do you know what, Ava? What comes before 17? Write it down. Okay. As soon as you get it, go ahead and show us. Right, Ava's got hers. All right, how'd they do, Ava? Look at it. We've got some friends in there that have written it down. 16 comes before 17. Let's erase our board and let's do another one. Let's see what comes after now. Let's do an after one. So that's different, isn't it? It's not what comes before, it's what comes right after, one more. So let's say what comes after 10? What comes after 10? Write it down. You got it? You got it writing it down? Oh, look at Ava. Look at them all writing it. You're right. 11 comes after 10. And you know what, Ava, that looks kind of familiar. That number 11, which you just wrote, let me fix that a little bit for you. I know you're working so hard. That number 11, look at, last time we were reading for math, we were doing a symbol, remember? That is the symbol that we were drawing. Do you guys remember what that symbol was called? That's right. It was called an equal sign. And remember, things had to be equal. They had to be the same. Well, today we're going to start talking about another symbol. And I know it's one that you've seen before because we've actually talked a little bit about it here and there. But the symbol is for adding two numbers together. So can you make that symbol on your board and show us? Oh, yeah. Ava's looking at those symbols. They did it, didn't they? Nice. Yeah. That symbol can be called adding. Sometimes people call it plus or addition. It has kind of a lot of names, but we're going to talk about what that symbol means. And to do that, you know what we're going to do? We're going to head into the classroom just like we did last time when we were talking about that equal symbol. So I'm going to go ahead and head into our classroom today. And again, I know some of you had fun playing with that scale before. That's where I'm actually going to look again today. So I'm going to go back into our math manipulatives and the scale. And this time we're going to add it because remember, we still want things to be equal. But if I put, let's say, I'm going to put 1 plus 3. So I want you to think about that. 3 plus 1 more. How many is that all together? 3, 4. So if I put 4 on it, let's see if that's equal. Yep. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Let's see if I can do another one. Let's see if I can do 6 plus 1. What is 6 plus 1? What is 1 more than 6? Show me with your fingers. Yes, there we go. 6 plus 1 is 7. Let's see if you're right. Yep, we have balanced that out. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Let's do another one. Let's see. How about 9? Oh, 9, that doesn't equal each other. Let's see. Oh, now it really doesn't equal it. What is 9 plus 1? Show me with your fingers. What is 9 plus 1? All right, I'm seeing a lot of 10. All fingers are up. Let's go ahead and put it on 10 and see if those will balance out. Oh, look at that. You're right. 9 plus 1 equals 10. And you're right. We can use those symbols to even equal things out. So just like I was saying, 9 plus 1 equals 10. We kind of talked about that. Let me share a different screen with you and let's write a couple out for you. So if you guys just did, let's do another one. Let's do 4 plus 1, which means we're going to add those up. So 4 plus 1 more equals 5. So we have 4. This is a symbol for plus 1. And remember our equal sign. So if we've got this many on this side we have to have 5. Just a little while ago, you did 9 plus 1. We put that on one side. You remember, I just kind of gave it away, didn't I, with my talking. 9 plus 1, when I add those two up together, on the other side is 10. So I have 10 on this side, and I have 10 on this side. So again, we want to make those equal. But let's talk more about that plus sign. So today, what you're going to be able to do is you are going to be able to make your own addition problems. So check this out. I've got these two right here. Actually, let's do both of these because we've got some time. So you're going to be working in your rooms together, aren't you? So we have here the addition symbols. So you can come up with whatever numbers you want. Maybe you can draw hearts on one side. So I'm going to just draw some hearts since Valentine's Day is coming up. I'm so excited. And I'm going to draw some hearts on this side too. I like drawing hearts too. Kind of hard. They're kind of tricky, but they are fun. So I'm going to try, the symbols are written down for me, but I'm going to see what I can do. So I've got this many. How many hearts did I draw here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to write 5 down here. And then I can do how many hearts I see on this side. 1, 2, 3. So if I add these together, if I count all these together, I want to have the same amount on this side. So let's count that. I know this is 5 because I just wrote it down, right? So 5, and let's count on 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's my answer, boys and girls. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. And you can make this look so much better than mine. I'm going so fast. But check this out, boys and girls. In this one, you can practice writing that addition symbol to make sure that it makes sense. Because 1, you have to add 1 plus 2 equals 3. So we're practicing writing those symbols. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Let's see if that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on this page, you're going to be able to practice writing those symbols down, which is going to be a lot of fun. And then we have some more adding problems that you can do, counting up all of them together. Because again, when you see that plus sign, it means we're pushing all those numbers together. So we have a lot of different fun things that you can do for practicing that adding. And I hope you have fun with that in your breakout rooms. And again, if you want, you can explore with those scales again, but I'm going to be hopping in and asking some questions. So Ava and I will see you in a little bit. Have a great day.